Nakita niyo na ba yung video na to? Miss Jamaica remains in critical condition after falling off the Miss Universe stage. May intracranial hemorrhage, nawala ng malay, may fracture, may facial lacerations. Natural lang tanungin ng marami, ano kaya yung chance na gumaling ulit siya? From a medical standpoint, recovery depends on 4 major factors. Una, gaano kalaki at saan ang intracranial bleed? Ang utak may areas na may sensitive. Pag tinamaan yon, mas mabagal yung recovery. Pangalawa, gaano kabilis siyang nabigyan ng treatment? Early detection, early stabilization, and early neurosurgical care drastically improve outcomes. Pangatlo, age and baseline health. Mas bata, mas malakas ang healing. Pang-apat, rehabilitation. Physical therapy, neuro-rehab, emotional support, lahat yan critical. Don't assume the worst. Do understand na maraming gumagaling from brain injuries with the right medical care and time. Tandaan, the brain is one of the most resilient organs in the body. Kahit critical ang sitwasyon, may mga pasyente na bumabalik sa normal through consistent treatment, patience, and strong support. Hope is real, and science supports that hope.